Hello my friend, welcome to this video. Today, we will learn simple English, new words. If you are a beginner, this video is for you. In this video, we will not worrying about grammar. We will not worrying about mistakes. We will only listen. We will only understand. We will only practice slow English. Let's start. English is a language. Language means communication. Communication means sharing ideas, sharing thoughts, sharing feelings. English is not magic. English is not difficult. English is a skill, and skills can be learned slowly, step by step, one word at a time, one sentence at a time. You learned your first language like this. You listened first, then you spoke. We will do the same. Let me say a simple sentence. I am learning English. Now expand. I am learning English every day because I want to improve. Simple. Another sentence. I like English. Now expand. I like English because it is useful for my future. You see, small sentence, then bigger sentence. This is the secret. Let us talk about daily life. I wake up. I wake up in the morning and brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast in the morning. I go to school. I go to college. I go to work. Simple. Now feelings. I am happy. I am sad or tired. I am angry. I am calm. These are feeling words. Very important words. Now common sentences. I understand. I don't understand. Please repeat. Please speak slowly. Can you help me? Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. Very powerful sentences. Now let's talk about you. You are learning English. You are trying. You are improving. Even if you feel slow, you are still improving. Slow progress is progress. Remember this. Slow progress is progress. Many people stop. Why? Because they feel ashamed. Because they fear mistakes. But mistakes are good. Mistakes mean learning. No mistakes means no learning. So be happy when you make mistakes. Say this. I am allowed to make mistakes. Again, I am allowed to make mistakes. Good. Let's talk about speaking. You don't need perfect English. You don't need big words. You don't need fast speed. You need clear words. You need simple words. You need courage. That's all. Talk to yourself. Very important. Talk to yourself. When you wake up, say, good morning. When you drink water, say, I am drinking water. When you walk, say, I am walking. When you sit, say, I am sitting. When you eat, say, I am eating food. Simple. Repeat every day, again and again. Repetition builds memory. Memory builds confidence. Confidence builds speaking. Now listen carefully. You will not become fluent in one day. You will not become fluent in 1 week. But you will become better, little better, every day. And that is enough. Let's practice some more sentences. I want to learn English. I want to speak English. I want to improve my life. I want a better future. Good sentences. Say them slowly. Now imagine you are speaking English. You are calm. You are relaxed. You are confident. People are listening. You are smiling. You feel proud. Hold this image in your mind. English is not only a language. English is a bridge. A bridge to knowledge. A bridge to opportunities. A bridge to confidence. You do not need permission. You do not need talent. You only need practice. Daily practice. Even 10 minutes. Even 5 minutes. Something is better than nothing. Let me tell you something important. You are not stupid. You are not weak. You are not late. You are learning. And learning people always win. Remember this. Learning people always win. Now breathe. Relax. Listen to English. Speak English. Repeat English every day. One day you will look back. You will smile. You will say, my English was weak, but now it is better. And that day will come if you do not stop. Ending. My friend, you started. That means you are ahead of many people. Be proud of yourself. Keep going. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. Your English will grow. Your confidence will grow. Your life will grow. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. Thank you for listening.